Today we're making creamy, peppery pasta for two, Panacheeza, Cacio e Pepe. Start by boiling water for your pasta. Cook 2 servings, about 2 ounces each, until al dente. While the pasta cooks, roast 1.5 teaspoons of whole peppercorns in a warmed pan over medium heat. Stir until fragrant, about 3 to 5 minutes. Transfer the roasted peppercorns to a mortar and pestle and grind until mostly smooth. You still want a few chunks for texture. In a tall cup, add 1 cup of Panacheeza and 1/8 a teaspoon of salt. Ladle in 4 spoonfuls of pasta water and blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the sauce into a warm pan. Add the ground pepper and stir until combined. Add your pasta directly into the sauce and toss until every strand is coated in that rich, peppery creaminess. And that's it, a simple plant-based twist on the Italian classic, creamy, peppery, and ready to enjoy.